New generation of wealth builders.
Alright, so hi everyone, good day na naman sa inyong lahat. We have another tutorial for trading Republic by ZFT. At ano yon? Subscription made easy for trading Republic by ZFT. So paano yun gagawin, no? So tuturo ko nga sa inyo guys, diba? But before that, I would like to introduce myself. Again, my name is Zpranks. I'm your host, I'm your friend, and I'm your guide for trading in Republic. So yun, punta na tayo sa ating Discord. If wala pa kayo sa Discord, make sure you check our description below. And makikita nyo dyan yung ating Discord link. So, punta tayo ngayon sa ating Discord. Makikita nyo dito. Nandito tayo sa Verify. If you're new, just click Verify. Follow the instructions there. So, punta tayo sa pinakababa ng... may community update. Anyways, punta tayo. Punta tayo sa pinakababa ng... create a ticket. Yan. So, kita nyo naman dito. TR subscription/renewal. Ayan. So, yun. So, what are you creating this ticket for? Lagay natin TR subscription. Gyrus for trial. So, lalagay ko yung pangalan ko guys kasi baka mamaya may mag-reply na admin team natin since I believe they are actively answering tickets right now. So, yun. So, as you can see here, andito na tayo sa tickets. Ano yung next step natin is to /pay. Yan. So, after that, /pay. And then, store credit, meron tayong $40, no? Meron binalik dahil nag-refund tayo ng, ano bang tawag dun? Nung coaching session na tutorial last time. Anyways, we have 4 active products. So, Liquidity Pool Advisory, TR monthly subscription, one-on-one with Coach Jake, and one-on-one with Coach Alpha. So, dito guys, nabigay ko na yung tutorial dito. Meron pa tayong coaches na paparating. Ngayon, may Coach Jake na. Susunod si Coach Yuri naman. Isi-set up natin. But, we will focus on TR monthly subscription. Okay? So, click nyo lang TR monthly subscription. And then, gusto ko mag-subscribe for 6 months for $205. And, nakalagay na dito guys kung saan nyo isi-send yung pera. So, nakalagay dito is mag-send lang daw ako ng 93.87 dahil meron na akong credit na $40. That's my case guys. But for you guys, you have to pay for the full amount. So, magkakaroon kayo ng refund kapag, or magkakaroon kayo ng fund dito kapag gusto nyo may mga product kayong na-refund, kaso lang, magagamit nyo na siya sa product, hindi na siya ma-refund as as cash again. Okay, so as you can see here, owned wallets is meron na ako dito, but for some cases, sa mga first time na gagamit ng bot, you have to set up your wallet. Or if you want to change your wallet, just click change your wallet. Kitang-kita naman dyan. So, lalagay nyo lang yung wallet address nyo and register na siya. So, iwa-watch na ni bot yan if you've sent an amount. So, for me, I need to send $92 since meron akong $40 last time. And meron din ako nung ni-refund ko din yung isang pera ko. Ito yung store credit ko is 111.13. So, nag-refund ako nung, syempre for tutorial lang naman guys kasi meron na tayong role sa server. So, magbayad ako ng $93 kasi 111 na yung store credit natin. So, maglalagay tayo ng how much ba? So, copy nyo to and then punta kayo sa inyong yung ledger natin na gano'n naman. Yan. So, lagay natin is pero ito pa yung isa guys. Ang isa kong masasabi sa inyo, kapag for example, nag-send ka ng kulang, magkakaroon ka ng role, pero you will not be able to access the channels. Ayun lang. So, anyways, mag-send daw tayo ng kulang. Yan. 31. Okay. So, next is, nakalagay dito, invalid Solana address. Ba't kaya? Okay, ulit. Yan. Baka naglagay ako ng space. So, 93.87. Basta kung ano nakalagay dito, guys, yun yung isi-send nyo. Alright? So, 93.87. Coaching wallet 5A5E. Ayan, sige. Lagay natin. Send. 93.87. Ledger tayo guys para safe. Ayan na. Sending. Alright, so tapos na agad, di ba guys? After that, mabibigyan ako ng role na, ayun na, kulay blue na siya. Blue circle means you are fully paid. So, meron akong tier monthly subscription scheduled until December 9, 2025. So, 1 year na. Hanggang next year na, guys. No? So, ayun. As you can see here, saan na ba yan? Ito, meron na akong paid role. So, yung paid role, yan yung magbibigay sa amin ng signal. After nyo yan gawin, that's it, guys. Bibigyan na namin kayo ng citizen role. Gusto nyo, bigyan ko na ngayon. Pero, makikita nyo kasi yung isa kong Discord medyo nakakrap. Ayan, makikita nyo, diba? So, bibigyan namin kayo ng role. Basta promise yan. Citizen. Basta nagbayad kayo and then you were able to answer this type form. Ganun lang kadali, guys, diba? So, ilang minutes lang, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So, if you have any questions, make sure you mention me sa Discord. Meron naman tayong free Discord channels, which is our Explorers chat. Mention nyo lang ako, Sir Jai, or sa ticket, if nahihiya kayo. Huwag kayong mahiya, guys. Kasi, friendly naman akong tao. Hindi naman ako nangangagat. So, ayun. So, ito lang yung mga reminders, guys. For some of you, lalo na yung mga merong current TR subscription, make sure you create a ticket and ipaalam nyo sa amin para i-post natin yung current citizen role nyo. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin natin. Kasi, pag nangyari yon na bumili ka dito, nag-extend ka without us knowing, tapos magsasabay yung subscription mo with the other non-automated system. Ito kasi, ang kinaganda nito guys, mariremind kayo dito sa sub-ping channel natin na mag-expire na yung subscription mo. So, ganun siya guys. And don't worry, meron kaming record nung previous subscription mo and we will pause that and dito tayo mag-focus if you renew using this and meron pa kayong current subscription role. And make sure na you will use or you will have a unique wallet na maire-register sa bot. Wait lang, isipin ko lang register sa bot, tapos yung wallet dapat na yun hindi pa nagre-register, yung wallet na yun dapat hindi pa nakakapag-register using another account na Discord kasi hindi siya i-approve ni bot. Or for example, bumili siya ng role, ang mangyayari, or bumili siya ng subscription, ang mangyayari sa kanya ma-add yung subscription, hindi sa account niyo. So, hindi pwede yun guys, no? So, make sure you create your own wallet and make sure you register your own wallet here. So, yun lang naman yung reminders natin. And for more tutorials incoming, I hope to see you again guys kasi there will be more incoming for Trading Republic by CFT, and for sure gagamitin natin yung we will do our best na mapadali pa yung process natin with Trading Republic by CFT. Alright, so thank you again for supporting Trading Republic CFT. Again, my name is C Pranks and see you on our next tutorial video. Bye guys! See you.